Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a very special guest on my channel today. This is my cousin's wife, Irina, and I asked her to help me out with this video because we get a lot of questions at Fancy Hair about how and if fancy hair extensions blend with short hair. So today, Irina is going to show you how she likes to clip in her fancies into her short hair, and I'm going to share with you our 6 top tips on how to blend in clip-in hair extensions with short hair. Okay, so tip number 1 is to get a thicker set of hair extensions to give you more coverage and blend more seamlessly with shorter hair strands. Here, Irina is using our 240 gram weight in the creme brulee blonde color. So the reason it's better to go with a thicker set when you have short hair is because a thicker set will give you more coverage and also balance out the density of your hair from top to bottom, making it look more natural and a lot less scraggly. So if you think about it, if you have short hair, when you clip in hair extensions, majority of the volume and the thickness will be at the top where your hair is, and everything below the point of where your hair ends will be thinner. So if you have thinner hair extensions, it's not going to look very natural. That's why we always recommend going with a thicker set to balance out the volume from top to bottom. Tip number 2 is if your hair is short and thick, tie away the bottom portion of your hair to make it blend a lot easier. I did this trick on the lovely Becky from the Story Girls last year to help her fancies blend in better with her short hair. And basically what this does is make your own hair a lot less dense, so it's easier to blend the shorter pieces when clipping in hair extensions. If you guys are interested in checking out that video in more detail with a step-by-step explanation, I'm going to link it in my description box down below. Tip number 3, if your hair is short and thin, then you want to focus the wefts near the nape of your neck and clip in the last wefts at least 3 inches away from your hair part so you have enough of your own hair to hide the wefts. Tip number 4 is to cut layers into your own hair. So if you have layers in your natural hair, it will make it much easier to blend the extensions with your ends. Blunt ends are always a lot more difficult to conceal, regardless if your hair is short or long, but especially if it's short. Tip number 5 is to wave or curl your hair with the extensions so that the shorter pieces blend better with your hair extensions. Styling your hair this way helps your shorter strands kind of intertwine with the extension so that the shorter ends are not as noticeable. And tip number 6 is to make sure that you choose a shade of hair extensions that matches the color of the ends of your hair exactly so that your own hair blends more seamlessly into the extensions. Fancy Hair has color swatches available on our website to help with selecting your perfect color match if you're not sure about what color to go with. If you guys are interested in fancy hair extensions, you can go to getfancyhair.com or click on the link in the description box. So those are our 6 tips on how to blend clip-in hair extensions with short hair. As you can see, it's really not that difficult, and once you get the technique down, it's so easy to replicate and looks absolutely beautiful. So I really hope that you guys found this video helpful. And if you guys have any other questions that I didn't cover in this video, feel free to leave them down below and I would be happy to answer them. As always, thank you for watching and hanging out with me and Irina today, and I'll see you in my next one.
Yeah.